This is a logic gates game. Yes. You have to guess what are the logic gates of 1, 2 and 3. Let me draw it on a piece of paper. So move this a little bit. Okay. So we have here a logic gate number 1, and here we have number 2, and you have each have 2 inputs. Yes. Let's say A and B and C and D. And the output of those 2 gates go to number 3. So like this. And the output of number 3 goes to the light. Yes, to the LED, to the light. So you can turn on and off A, B, C and D, and then you can see what will happen to the LED. The gates you can choose are the AND gate, the OR gate, or the XOR gate. Yes? X stands for exclusive OR gate. And exclusive means not to share, not for everybody. That is what X means. And here I have a board that shows the AND, the OR and the XOR gates. So let me plug it in like this. Okay. And if we look at the AND gate, if I press A, the input is on but the output is not on. If I press B, the input is on but the output is not on. If I press both A and B, then the output is on. That's the AND gate. Now the OR gate is if I press A, the input is on and the output is on. If I press B, the input is on and the output is on. If I press both inputs are on and the output is on. Now the exclusive OR. Yes. If I press A, input is on and output is on. If I press B, input is on, output is on. But if I press both, inputs are on, the output is off. Yeah, exclusive, not share with everybody. So those are the 3 gates you can choose. Alright, let me unplug this one and let me show you the game. Okay, we need a paper. It can be helpful. Alright, so let me plug it in. 5 volts USB. Okay. Here it says, watch YouTube Logic Gates MSC. So you can watch this video on YouTube and the name is Logic Gates MSC. Here we have a touch switch or touch button, and that is next. Yeah, go to the next level. Okay, we click this one. Next. Game is on. Alright. So let's see if I can figure out what is 1, 2 and 3. I start with the first one. So I touch 1 and the light is on. That means that 1 is OR maybe XOR. And 3 is OR maybe XOR. Okay. Now I touch number 2. Stays on. Okay. And let me click this one off. This means that number 1 is not XOR. No, not XOR. Because if we have 2, then there is no output and the light should turn off. So we know for sure 1 is OR. Okay. Now let's close this one and start number 2. Also on. Okay. And that means 2 is or XOR. Let's touch this one. Ah, now it's off. That means number 2 is XOR. Yeah, because the two lights here, the two inputs are on, but the output is off. But I go too fast because it still could. No, it could not be. That's it. Okay, and what happens if we touch both to check number 3? Ah, you see, 1 is OR, 2 is XOR. They're both on, and 3 is off. So 3 must be XOR. Yeah, 3 must be XOR. Let's check it out if I'm right. I click touch again here. Number 5 is that? This next. OR, yes. Number 2 XOR, yes. Number 3 XOR. Okay, I got it. Let's do one more time. One more game. I click next. Game on. Oh, let's close it all. It's easier to start like that. Okay. We start with the 1. On. Okay. That means 1 again is OR XOR. And 3 also OR XOR. I click number 2, it's off. Ah, let's check again. Yes. So that means 1 is XOR. Must be. And we don't. And we know already that 3 is OR gate. No, we don't know it yet. Wait, no. Okay, let's check number 2. I close these two. On, okay, and this one, stay on. So 2 must be OR gate. Yeah, because 2 it stays on, with 1 it stays on. It doesn't matter if this is A or B. Okay, now let's check if 3 is OR XOR. So 2 is on, and we turn on number 1, it stays on. That means OR gate. Yeah. If it was XOR, the light would go off. So we have 1 XOR, 2 OR, and 3 OR. Let's double check. If I click this one, stay on. Yeah, must be like that. Yeah. Okay, let's check. I click next. XOR, yes. 2 is OR, yes. And 3 is OR. You see here, XOR, OR, and OR. Okay, I will do one more game, and I show you a trick. Yeah, if it's too difficult, then there is a trick. Okay, touch game on. Oh, let's close it. Here, close. Here on the side is a switch. If you turn on the switch like this, you can see already the output of 1 and 2. There's little green lights there. Here, let's see. Ah, if I click A, it's already on. So let's show you. So that means 1 is OR XOR. Let's click 2. Ah, now we know 100% that this is XOR. Yeah, because 2 it's off. Yeah, 2 is off. So we know for sure 100% number 1 is XOR. Now we go to number 2. Nothing happened. Ah, this means for sure 100% number 2 is AND gate. Yeah, because it needs two inputs on, then the output is on. 100% AND gate. Now number 3. Ah, you see, if 1 is on and 2 is on, 3 is on. If I close 1, it's off. So 300% sure this is the AND gate. Yeah? So let's check. XOR and AND. Yeah! Okay. That is the explanation of this game.